Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to make a video on how I simplified this SaaS app. So this is called Mosaic, and it is an app to generate OG images from your hero sections. So this was the app. This is a screenshot of the old app, and I want to show you how I redesigned it. So the old app had a sidebar. It had a new site, home, websites, analytics, subscriptions, settings, pages, change logs, guides, help and support, privacy and terms, everything in the sidebar. And in the main section, we have some analytics, new screenshots, history, and everything. So this was a lot for a simple like OG image generating app, and I just wanted to simplify it a little bit and make sure everything is concentrated and it's easy to go through the app. So let me show you how I simplified it. So now remove the sidebar. We just have a header with settings and your avatar on it, and we have an overview settings, overview section instead of the whole analytics page. So the overview just shows what the most important things here, and we have website section instead of a whole new sidebar item for the website, because people, they're not going to add like hundreds of websites. It's going to be like their websites only, so it's not going to be that much. So I added simple website sections and latest OG images, which shows the latest 10 OG images and a footer. So in this way it's narrower. The header just has the settings and the user section, which you can use to log out and overview websites, latest OG images, and the footer, which has the help, blog, change log, all the legal things and everything. And you can add a new website over here. So that's basically it. And in the settings, we will have all the settings: themes, plans and billing, if you can solve questions, need help, everything. So I just split everything into what we need here in the main landing of the web app. And we have a settings which we need to which is, if you want to configure something, you can go into settings. So that's the two things that you need for the app, right? So that's how I split it. I didn't need any other pages, so this worked for me. And we'll still have all the actions that we need over here. Edit, delete, everything is just in this table itself, so it's easier to go through everything. And yeah, that's it. uh, Everything, if I need to add any feature, I'll just put it in the settings, if it's a setting thing. And if I need to add some website features, I'll just add it over here in the drop down. And yeah, that's it. It'll be simpler, it'll be much more easier to learn for new users. There we just have one page, and you can just see everything in this page, so it's easier to learn. And if you go into settings, it's these are all the settings for this app, so it's easier to update that also. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.